And today, this is episode 6 of the Platformer series. Hope you like this one, and let's begin. So, the first thing what we're going to do today is we are going to split this into 2 sections. I'll show it on the screen, the sections. So before we actually get into the video, you want to make a copy. File, save as a copy. This is episode 6. So now we have our thing here. We can move on. So you're wondering, what are these here? I never showed them. Well, I just checked my analytics recently. And it told me, guess what it told me, guys? That, like, lots of people that watch my tutorials actually on mobile. So we're going to make some mobile controls, right? Of course we are. So I made left and right. That is the code in that one for left. And that is the code in that one for right, and the costumes. Now in our player, we have this now. When I see left, that. When I see right, that. So now we can also move with the arrow keys, which I have to use my mouse too, but in iPad you can just click and stuff. So that's sorted out. So okay, just had a bit of bug. I had to cut that out. So what we are going to do is make our jumping a bit cleaner. Because right now, this is what we have. And as you see, it's not the cleanest, but we can make it cleaner. In our player sprite, we want a when space key press block. So that means we want to temporarily take that out and get that out. Our whole jump script. Probably like, what am I doing? Well, so when space key pressed, repeat 10, change X by 10. And then duplicate that, put that under, and this time change X by -10. Okay, so that is done. Look at this. Why is that buggy? I don't know. Space. Change Y, guys, sorry. Change Y. You can skip this. I would probably if I was you. It's a bit boring and make it higher. It's annoying, guys, but I'm doing it. Okay, now this is what you guys should have. It's way cleaner. It's way better. That is really good. Now you're probably wondering, wait, this is kind of, we don't have a left-right movement. Maybe we can make both. So we're going to bring back our movement blocks. Left-right movement. We're bringing this back because we're not mobile anymore. So when I receive, stop that project. When I receive left-right movement, you guessed it, 2 statements. And then we need our key pressed. And then for this one, we need right arrow, and you guessed it, left arrow. So when right arrow clicked, that's pretty easy. Change X by 10. I'm joking, change X by speed. And then change X by join, yeah, you know. Change X by join negative with speed. And there we go. Now we can move again, which is really cool. So now that is done, maybe we make a ammo counter. That's pretty easy. Now, I'm not on mobile, but if you're on mobile, keep these shown, but I'm gonna hide them because I'm on PC. I'm gonna make a, wait, not a new spot. I'm gonna go to my backpack. And where do I have it? Here, this fin here. Now, I will leave a link in the description for this because I think it was on my other videos too. And now we have this here. And now we have this here. It's really good. And yeah. So we don't need that. All we need is this. And we need a forever loop. What? We're going to have to set it somewhere first. So we want it to be in the diagonal. So that's Y and that's X. So let's move this player down. So we have 181 by minus 4, 5. So what's up? What was it again? 181. So wide up 181. Wide 181 for that position, and then we need minus 145, minus 145, minus 145, and that's good. But winding what's up kind of sucks, and as you see, that's way off center. Not even there. 34. Wait. Center. 20. What? Okay. So 120 by minus 145. That's what you want. Now what's up? We need to change that. Make a new variable. We need two new variables. Current ammo. Current ammo. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. And new ammo. So we have current ammo and new ammo. Hide them both. So we want new ammo first. That is really, really simple. Go to our player spot. And then up here, you want to set. You want to set not new ammo. I mean, yeah, that's supposed to be max ammo. Set it to. So this is how much ammo you're allowed. So this is the max ammo you're allowed. So I'm gonna go 80. You can do this whatever you want, guys. It's your choice. Now I will quickly rename this and call this max, so it's easier to tell. Okay, now we need our current ammo. So that's how much ammo we currently have. So set current ammo to max ammo. And then you want to go down and find where we have the bullet. So this is where we have the bullet. So when S key pressed, let's change current ammo by -1. So now go down to this spot, also naming it ammo. And this is what we have here. So join current ammo with this sign, and you're gonna get another join block. Put this join block in the left side, and in the right side we need max ammo. So let's see this in action. As you can see, it works really well. We do have a bit of bugs with that, and I'll just have to fix that. But let's think we actually put it here. Each time we begin a clone, we actually S. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. It's a bit buggy, but I think we do have success with this ammo counter. That's this section done, and let's move on to the next one. Make sure you save, and let's move on to the next section. Okay, scratches. So this is section 2. So what we are doing in section 2 is monsters and some cool effects. So the first thing you want to do is the monsters. That's what we're going to do first, okay? So let's do that. Paint a new sprite. Also guys, I would recommend you like and subscribe, as it really helps me out. Anyways, let's continue. So you want to name this sprite Monster. So I'm going to have multiple monsters, so add the S if you're going to want more monsters than one. Now, I'm going to make a monster. Make sure it's similar to the player, as it's a platformer. So you can make whatever you want. I'm going to cut the video out. So I'm going to make a monster and cut it out. Go. Okay, so that is actually done now. So you want to select all of it and group it together. Once that is grouped, make sure it is in the center, or else it will be have an offset. Now I'm going to have multiple monsters, so I'm going to call this Wen Monster. If you only want one, just call this a monster. But I want like different color monsters, so I'm going to name this Wen Monster. Okay, so now we can do some code. When green flag clicks, you want it to be a bit smaller. So set size. Now our size of the player is 100. So let's go 50. Now you can choose your desired size, what fits you best. Or I think that fits me best. Now we have a monster. So I want the monster to come towards us. So it's a bit messy right now of the pads. So I'm going to disable one of the pads. So now we don't have that pad. Now we just have the monster. Go back to the monster spot. Go there. So we want to go here when the green flag is clicked. And now we will go here when the green flag is clicked. Now we want it to go towards our player. So point. So forever point towards, not mouse pointer, player. And we want to move by 3 steps. So that should be working actually. But since it's a platformer, we actually don't need the point towards block. I do not know what's going on there. Point in direction 90. So now we should have this. And now the monster's coming towards us. We're going to jump over it and try to dodge it. Now, if we are touching the player spot, we want to make a new variable. Naming it health. For all spots. Press OK. You want to show health actually. Drag it over here, wherever you want. You want to get a block here. Set health to how much health do we want? You can change it whatever you want. I'm going to do 20 though. And then change health by -1. Okay, so that is done. So let me just do this. Now you gotta try to run away from it. And yeah, that's good. Now I only want the monster to be on there. So if level equals 2, then we want to hide. And then put a show block here. So now we have this game and our level equals there we go, a bit of a bug. Now we want to go here and we have that there. So maybe make our play a bit faster. Where do we have it? We have it in speed. So where do we have speed? Speed's there. So we make speed a bit higher. I'm going to go 10 actually. So our speed's a bit higher. We have that done here. So the monster spot is done. Now let's add some effects. Let's add some effects. And guess what, guys? That was the effect I did there. That was not funny. I should become a bunny. Okay, that's not funny even, okay? Let's move on though. So we're gonna make some effects. That seems pretty easy, and some effects will be easy. So let's see, what effects should we do? Maybe go to costumes and maybe we make a speed pad. So when we're touching the speed pad, when we're touching the speed pad, we have like a boost thing. So we're gonna right click on this, or if you'll double click if you're on mobile, and you wanna name this speed. And name this normal. So here at the start, we want to switch costume to normal. So we are switching our costume to normal. So, costumes and speed. Now we're gonna make some speed fins. Now you can get some stuff off Google, but I'm just gonna do it in Scratch because it's easier. And make some cool strokes and stuff. From there. So, go to your pads. And we actually don't want, we'll do this later. We'll do this next episode. You go here. This is where we have our speed pad. So is it black? Yeah. So if we're touching the player here, we also want to broadcast. You want to broadcast speed boost. And now we have speed boost. You want to go back to your player. And then when I'll save speed boost, we want to switch our costume to speed. And now we want to wait 3 seconds before we switch our costume back to normal. Okay, let's try that out now. I definitely do like that. And that is really cool. That is a better effect. You can make some speed sounds, but I'm going to leave that up to you. If you want, just use the start sound, I think, or the play. I'm going to use the start sound and then put it here. Here, like under, put the start sound here. And all you need to do, go here, choose a sound. From here, you can choose your own, or surprise, or record it, or choose one from the library. You want to select the sound here, put it in the start sound, and you should have your sound. Comment down below if it doesn't work. But I'm not going to have a sound, so yeah. So, now that is done, maybe we should make another effect. So, we are on 11 minutes. So, yeah, definitely should make another effect. Actually, we're on 11 minutes. And, yeah. So, I think we will end the video here. You want to press save now. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you... hope you liked it. And I'll see you next time, Scratchers. Goodbye, Scratchers.